How to execute a command at exact time once a day in Django? I am working on a Django web-based project in which I need to build an application which work in the following sequence. 1. User open a page in which he need to enter a command and a time. 2. Django application will execute that command at a given time on each day till user off the scheduler. By default it is true. What I am facing the problem is that 1. How should I execute the commands on a time but on each day? To save the commands and time, I created a following model in my models.py. I have the same time, but I am not getting the right way to execute it on each day at the given time. And is it possible to do with pytz library? For executing the commands I am using Paramiko library. PS. I don't want to use any external library.
While you could have your Django app add and remove cron jobs on the system, another more Django-ish approach would be to use Celery. It is a task queue system that can run both sync and async tasks. One specific feature of Celery is scheduled tasks. This URL. They also have a more granular version of the period task that replicates the scheduling of a cron tab. Celery by itself is standalone, but there is the Django Celery specific for Ryzen. The benefit of this solution is that you do not need to edit and maintain a system-level cron tab. This is a solution that is highly integrated into Django for this exact use. Also, a huge win over using a cron is that Celery can scale with your system. If you were using a basic system cron tab, then the tasks would be located on the server that hosts the application. But what if you needed to ramp up your site and run it on 5 web application nodes? You would need to centralize that cron tab. If you are using Celery, you have a large number of options for how to transport and store tasks. It is inherently distributed, and available in sync to all your application servers. It is portable.
It seems to me that the proper way to do this would be write a Django custom command and execute it via cron. But you seem to be under luck, as others have felt similar need and have written custom Django apps. Take Django cron for example.
The solution for your problem is standard cron application, task planner on Nix systems. You can schedule a script using cron, by adding it to cron tab. If your script must perform a new Django application environment, it's possible to tell him to do that with setup_environment function. You can read more about standalone scripts for Django applications here.